Welcome to Learning Easier. Today we're going to learn about object pronouns. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Example, I, he, she, his, her, me, we, they, who, and etc. Noun. A noun is a word that describes person, place, or thing. Object pronoun. Object pronoun is a pronoun. It replaces the object in a sentence. Example for object pronoun are him, her, me, you, it, us, and them. Object pronoun can be classified as singular and plural. Singular first person is me, singular second person is you, singular third person is him, her, it. Plural first person is us, plural second person is you, plural third person is them. Examples for object pronoun are Avery gave a pencil to me. Me is the object pronoun. She is reading for us. Us is the object pronoun. I will tell you a secret. You is the object pronoun. The cat followed him. Him is the object pronoun. This is Ava. I draw with her. Her is the object pronoun. James is playing with it. It is the object pronoun. The car belongs to them. Them is the object pronoun. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Write your comments in the comment box below. Subscribe and click the bell button. Follow Learning Easier Instagram.